Prosecutors say this man is a danger to the community and he should be locked up. His lawyer says he's mentally ill and deserves treatment instead of jail. Ralph Bouzy is accused of ramming his car into 2 deputies last week, leaving them severely injured. And today his attorneys were in court arguing that Bouzy is unfit to stand trial. Fox 13's Gloria Gomez joins us live in the newsroom tonight. So, Gloria, what exactly are his lawyers telling the judge?
You know, they're telling him that Bouzy is incompetent to stand trial. Now they want a doctor to evaluate him to confirm it.
Long before Ralph Bouzy was charged with 3 counts of attempted murder of a law enforcement officer, there was a long history of mental illness. Now his public defenders want him in a state hospital instead of jail.
State of Florida versus Bouzy, if I could have counsel for that case.
During a hearing Wednesday, his lawyers told the court they believe Bouzy is incompetent to proceed and help with his own defense. They want a doctor to evaluate him.
Have you talked to try and agree on the evaluator?
We did, Your Honor, and the name that we came up with was Dr. Inuzi.
Okay.
On November 9th, 2 deputies were nearly killed after Bouzy, they say, intentionally struck them with his vehicle during a domestic disturbance call. His mother told deputies he was bipolar and schizophrenic and was out of his medication. She said Bouzy was trashing the house and acting aggressive. The defense also filed this motion explaining Bouzy's mother tried to Baker Act her son days before he hit the deputies. But for some reason, the court rejected Bouzy's mother's request twice. Before that, there were 15 Baker Act proceedings in his criminal record that his lawyers point to as evidence of mental illness. Prosecutors agree to hit the pause button until they hear from his doctor.
No, Your Honor, I'm in agreement with defense counsel that unless we have a determination that the defendant is competent to proceed and participate, that we can't go forward with the Arthur hearing.
All right. And
so once Bouzy is evaluated, that report will go to the court. If he's found incompetent to stand trial, that means he will be transferred to a state hospital for treatment and return only when he's fit. So we will keep you posted on how this all plays out. Back to you.
Well, that video is just so hard to watch,
is.
Gloria. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.